correct slots. Let's go Bandit. Let's go Bandit. Now, although this is a learned behavior, this wouldn't be possible without its intelligence, memory, and perception. Check it out, we use these skills to find food, shelter, and a good place to nest. Now, last shape Bandit. And totally right, and a round of applause for Bandit. Now I have here an object, which is a ball. I'm going to be hiding this under one of these three silver cups. As you can see, all of these cups are empty. Now where do you want me to hide the ball? Is it on your left, on your right, or in the middle? Left, right, middle. Where? Alright, let's go right here. Now it's calling our psychic bird, Goldie. Now you think Goldie can find a hidden object? If it's a yes, let me hear you say, you can do it, Goldie. Alright, Goldie, find a hidden object for us. Goldie searching, scanning each cups. Ooh, she said it found it. There you go, she found it. Another round of the psychic bird, Goldie. So earlier we showed your parents. Now this time we're going to introduce to you our cockatoos. Now we have our umbrella cockatoo and our Moluccan cockatoo. So you're going to have a close encounter with our lovely birds. And if our birds and trainers go near you, please do not touch or try to reach the feathers of our birds, okay? Because they will bite. Now it's calling Nigel and Snow. Alright, let's start there. On your left is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Now that bird's into name is Kakatua alba. Now he is also known as the great white-crested cockatoo. Now we can be distinguished among the white cockatoos, and that is because of its woolly white crest that raises like an umbrella. Imusaka na ang President Nigel kung meron siya ang umbrella. And that's why they're called the umbrella cockatoo. And up next is our Moluccan cockatoo Snow. Now that bird is endemic in Cebu archipelago of eastern Indonesia. Now she's also known as the salmon cockatoo, and that is because of its pinkish white colored feathers. Now she's classified as the largest among the white cockatoos. Now in general, cockatoos use their crest as a form of communication and indication of their mood. So whether they're happy, angry, or invading. And as you have heard, these birds are very loud. So these are the types of birds that communicate sound and talk. And that is called the mimicry behavior. Now as for the next man, Nigel can live up to 40 years old. Meanwhile, Snow can live up to 70 years old. And that is it for our lovely cockatoos here in Cebu Park. We have Nigel, our umbrella cockatoo, and our Moluccan cockatoo, Snow. Now, who here loves mathematics? Anyone? Allah, what an isa. But I believe everybody knows addition, right? Allah, hindi ako sure. But I can tell you that our our next featured bird will leave you most baffled and amazed, giving us trainers. But before I call in our lovely bird, I would like to ask you guys two numbers between 1 to 20. Again, give me two numbers between 1 to 20. First number, 7. Okay. Second number. Alright, so our equation is 7 plus 14. Now we all know the answer, right? But before I call in our math wizard, I will shuffle these numbers first. Now the numbers have been shuffled. Let's now call in our math wizard, Snow. Snow is up there, guys. Wow, a lovely entrance by Snow. So Snow, your equation is 7 plus 14. So let's just give time for Trainer and Snow to review. And let's see if you can study when it's like B or TikTok or okay. Tagaan, may slide mo Diyos sabi, tanaw na to, nag-study na sila. Alright, kagalinga. Now, Trainer is now ready. Alright, Snow, now give us your answer. And Snow picks number 2. Now did Snow pick the right number? Allah, they sure are bad. Now did Snow pick the right number? Alright, Snow, yes, that's Snow. Now finish your answer, Snow. Up to the second number. And Snow picks number 1. So 7 plus 14 is equal to 21. Nagstudy ka din sila gabi. Another round of applause for math wizards. Now. Now the next set of birds that we're about to show you are different from our colorful parrots and cockadoos. Now they're called birds of prey, or raptors. Raptors meaning the seas were taken by force. Now there are 46 types of raptors, and here is in Ocean Park we have 3. We have a Brahminic kingdom, our Philippine serpent eagle fairy, and our white-bellied seagull, Agi. But before I call in our raptors, I would like to request everybody to please settle down. And no one should roam around. Once again, please settle down. And no one should roam around, especially the kids. Mommies and daddies, please listen to the kids. For those who have not taken a seat yet, there's a lot of vacant seats. Please fill in. And if our birds will fly over you, please do not touch or try to reach the feathers of our birds again. It's all for the safety of everyone and for our birds. And to also vacate the center aisle. No one should be crossing, passing, standing, sitting on the center aisle. Once again, please settle down. And no one should roam around. It's all for the safety of everyone and for our birds. Alright, first up is our Brahminic kingdom. Now, kingdom's antimony is Haliester. Now, she can be found in the Indian continent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they're known as sea eagles. Now here in the Philippines, they're locally known as Dawin or Pannog in the Visayan region. And that is it for Brahminic kingdom. ready. Now praise into your name is Dios. Now she can be found in the forest and open woodlands in the major islands of the Philippines. And she can be distinguished among certain eagles, and that is because of its well-defined spots on its belly and the wings. Now, the Philippine eagle and the Philippine serpent eagle are two different birds. So, as you can read right there, our Philippine eagles are 3 times more larger than Freddy. Ready. Now up next is our largest raptor here in Cebu Park. Now I request again everybody to please settle down and no one should roam around. For those who have not taken a seat yet, there are a lot of vacant seats. Please fill in. And if a bird will fly over you, please do not touch or try to reach the feathers for birthday. All for the safety of everyone and for our bird. And for those who have so to speak, please sit down for a while. Alright, now presenting our white-bellied seagull, Aggie. That bird can be found in Southern Nation and Australia. He is primarily white on the head and body, with a gray wings and back, held in a strong V shape. And belongs to an excellent hunter, and that is because of its great eyesight, which helps him catch its prey so fast, up to 30 to 100 miles per hour. Once again, please settle down, and no one should roam around. Please sit down. Now they primarily feed on sea creatures, such as fish, sea turtles, and sea snakes. Now having a wingspan of 2.2 meters, ranking himself as the second largest raptor in Australia. Birds of prey, mostly the female eagles, are more larger than the male, and that is because of its nesting position. Once again, please settle down and no one should roam around. And that is it for our white-bellied seagull, Aggie. Now lastly, for our flying birds, please look up to your left as we call in our homing pigeons. Now these birds have the ability to fly back to its home nest, and that is because of its special sense of magnetic reception, which allows them to detect the Earth's magnetic field and helps them perceive object, location, and direction. Since I got some little fun, we'll probably recognize them nests. And that is it for raptors and homing pigeons. Now I'll do one more.